Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add an image to a game using the Phaser game engine. Let's start. First, create a new Phaser project using the basic template. You can create new project here, or click on Projects button on the right side of the platform. Now click on New button. And select Basic Template. Choose Project folder, and give project name. Hit Create. This gives us a main.js file, an index HTML, and a simple scene to work with. If you click play, it will play an template game. Now we are going to add new scene. First, in Asset folder, add an image you want to use. To do that, look at the top right corner, and click Media Browser button. You will see a new browser window appear, though you can drag your own image. For this tutorial, I'll use an image called cat.jpg. Close browser window, and go back to editor window. You can see new image appear in the Assets folder. Now let's create a new scene. Look at top right corner, there is New Scene button. Click on it, and give a scene name, called New Scene.js. This scene will be responsible for loading and displaying our image. In the preload method, we load the image using this load image. Change image name to cat, and adjust asset path pointing to image. Then, in the create method, we add the image to the scene using this add image. X and Y are image position, where you want to display on game screen. For now, I give 300 for the value. Replace key by image name. Next, open main.js. Here, we import our new scene and replace the default scene with image scene in the game configuration. Replace start by new scene. Now it's time to test. You should see your image rendered on the screen. To center the image, we'll use the width and height values from main.js. Inside main.js, you can see width values and height value inside config parameters. We divide both values by 2 and pass them as the x and y coordinates. This ensures the image stays centered. And that's it. You've successfully added and centered an image in a Phaser game. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next tutorial.